I guess you go back, it started probably about 3 years ago. And, I was reaching the point where, and I was a sole practitioner, did not have any partners or associates or anything. It was just me in the office. And, the question came up, well, what am I going to do? And the first two things I thought of would be, well, I'll either just close the door and walk away, or I'll die at my desk. And neither one of those options were particularly attractive. To be perfectly honest with you, I had not even thought that there would be a market for my firm. And I went to a continuing education thing, and you were there making a presentation. And it's like, oh, well, wait a minute. You mean somebody might want to buy my firm? Which is really that CLE is what got the whole thought process started in my mind. And, I realized, well, maybe there is a third option to just closing the door or dying at my desk. So that's kind of what prompted me to get in touch with you and kind of started our process.